As we just mentioned, going to break, more of the same here as we get into our day tomorrow. There could be a little bit of rain and thunderstorm activity again in the morning, but as we get into the heating of the day and into the afternoon, a better opportunity for some of those showers and storms. Upper 80s to around 90, probably everywhere today. Some of you were suppressed because of the cloud cover, so not as warm widespread. But we think a better chance for some upper 80s to low 90s here again for our day Thursday, with more scattered storms in the region. Any one of those storms could produce some heavy downpours, thunder, lightning. You know the drill. Look at that. Our time lapse from Columbus earlier today downtown. Some interesting clouds moving on through. A live view looking back to the west. It looks like we'll have a little bit of color here going into the evening. 80 degrees currently in Columbus. We are dry. Get out there and make the most of it here on our Wednesday night. Our Skycam network, Louisville, shows a mix of sun and clouds across the southern parts of the area. Same story here in Vernon at 82 degrees. And for you in Tupelo, a little bit warmer up here today. We topped out around 90 degrees. There we go. 90 degrees now, currently 86 degrees. It's looking great heading into the early evening. You can see our satellite radar picking up on a little bit of rain over here near Hamilton, Alabama. Also some showers and thunder showers back in the Delta. Some of that could continue as we go throughout the evening hours. Most of us probably won't see it. Bigger storms rumbling right there along the coast near Gulfport, Biloxi, and Mobile right now. So some isolated to scattered activity early this evening. We may see a little bit try to redevelop later on this evening and tonight, especially across the southwestern areas. Just looking at some model data, the southwestern area is probably the favored chance for some showers and storms tonight and tomorrow morning. Notice how we will likely see some rain and storms in the region tomorrow, and then perhaps a few more storms possible tomorrow night into our day Friday too. So something to watch out for here. Rain and storm chances will continue. Some of those downpours will be locally heavy, warm and humid in general, and the heat index pushing 100 to 105 plus. That's where it is out there in Shreveport, Dallas right now, and that's the kind of situation we will be in really as we get into our Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and probably a good chunk of early next week. Now, we talked about this yesterday. A northwest flow pattern for the weekend that could give rise to several storm complexes, and then that goes away next week. We start to warm things up. It gets pretty warm and just downright hot around here. We're going to go with the low to mid 90s, but the heat index well into the triple digits next week. But scattered storms here at least to the weekend, Joey, and then our rain chances going down just a little bit.